Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we're continuing. What was it called? Rumor City, and remember we had to go right. Oh yeah, and I watched a tutorial how to get a Pokeball. So it's right here, I think. Pokemart. I hope you get it. Bye. I'm gonna buy stuff. A Great Ball. Yeah, what's Pokeball? Let's buy a couple of these. Wait. Let's buy 3. Yeah. Repel. What's repel? We need to buy. Buy 3 of these. Because we know we go to volcano, so you get a lot of burns. Well, let's get 2. Future. No, let's get 1 more. 2 more, yeah, 2. 300. Yeah. Okay. I don't think we will. Okay, no one. Then one of these. Yeah, we're done. And so, okay, let's go. I did see a coal. Wait, is there codes in here? Can you do a code? Yeah. Go, let's go. Every 2 minutes you should be saving. Let's go. Make sure all my Pokemon are good. Good. Okay, let's go. Wait, is it the wrong way? Oh, wait. My Vaporeon should be very useful. This way? Because it can flame. It can like extinguish the flame, you know? We're 5. We're going to level 6. Level 1. I'm going backwards. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Remember that? Ah. Yes? It said right. Take a right. Okay. Go. Okay, no, it's there. So yeah, you're gonna take a right. Route 6. Or route. Route or route. I say route or route. Cool. Right. Yeah, this is a quick place. Let's go. Oh, Pokemon battle. Let's go. We don't need fire, don't we? Nonish. Ah. Astonish one more time. Not effective. Use Astonish. Astonish. Tail whip, not effective. Let's go. I hope that's the right way. Trainer. Okay. Hello. These tall walls and narrow paths were created by molten lava years ago. They will make great places to sit and battle. Okay. I can't like to battle. Okay. Let's use Confuse Ray after. No, we're gonna save that. Yeah, we're gonna have to. Don't have to use. What's good? Let's use. No, let's use Charmeleon. Let's keep it actually. Let's use Ray on Nits. Confusion, so Confusion, Astonish one more time. Oof, okay. Then we're gonna use those healing things. Okay. I'm gonna get a McGrain. It's gonna hit itself, and then it's gonna hit me a little bit. I'm gonna heal though. Let's use more. Usually fail. I don't need it. Okay. Use Ray again. Nope. Good. Astonish. Use yes. Okay, it's gonna hit me a lot. Critical hit. Use Astonish. Yes. One more time. One more time when I want to switch. One more time, guys. Level 20. I think that I could share. Level 12. Curse. Let's see Curse. Let's see. No. Yeah. Okay. Wait. No. Go to. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it. Yes. There's like a soft row. Yeah. I'm gonna use like fire. It is. Use just this. We want to use it right on it. Use that though. But I may have lost, but I like my spot here. Okay. Ready to game? Okay. A lot of money. Oh, sir. I'm setting the train. Okay, what is this? Like a Pokemon? Okay. Oh, what a ba 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 ba. Yeah, that is actually. Okay, my better be a good Pokemon. Nope. So no. Yeah, I just trying to get fish particles. I'm just trying to get shiny. Stone shiny bits. I'm gonna go back in here. But it's not gonna work. Your defense is not gonna work. I'm gonna kill you. You fainted. Good. Of course, right at the end. It's you again. I need 3. I'm chilling. That's 3 actually. Yeah, I'm gonna use that, so now we decide she's gonna kill it. So yeah. Okay, let's go. Let me go heal quick. And so I need to check how much money I got. $8,000. Give me more. Round 6, let's go. This way now. Now let's get it. Go fireball, critical, and okay. Burn heals, yeah, burn heals, don't worry. Yo. I want to stun it and then we're gonna switch real quick. Never mind, let's do 2 more stuns. Remember, should be a quick, easy. What a scary face. Sure, let's see a scary face. So far, we got lowest opponent's attack, always inflicts 40 damage. Oh, me, we're gonna cut. Okay, we're gonna need cut, maybe. Sharply lowers opponent's speed. No, I'm gonna wave. I need to burn him. Roast. I just got roasted. Yo, I got 3. What do you? Oh my. Ponyanta. What are these? Let's use Vaporeon. Let's use Ember, but they take me a little bit. Water gun, really look good. Okay, let's go. Hello. I heard the volcano had a long time ago. Well, it was the incredible Pokemon to be a navigator that could make it a world. That's just a story my grandpa used to tell me. Enough swords, let's battle. Okay. Let's. We might have to switch Vaporeon soon. And switch to Vaporeon. Ember. 3. Tackle. Okay. Oh, sounds like a fire animal. 1. So I not be not. That. God pretty much got a lot of water gun. Almost. Sometimes, okay, I'm gonna have to switch. Give me your money. What's about this? Anyone about this? Yes. Thank you for your money. Exchange. It's the shortest. Dubai, what the hell? Oh my god. Let's just Dragon Rage one time. I'm gonna get through this. Dragon Rage is one of the most Pokemon I'm best at well in. Well, there's a Pokeball right there. You get that. Bugs. Well, I mean, Pokemon gone. Okay, you're going down, boy. I hate Zubats. Oh, dang, bro. Just use cut on you. Okay, bye. I'm going now. You were so easy. Oh, not a Zubat. No. God. Fire's better to kill with bats. Shit, cut. Oh. So I just have to do that. That's it. Ooh. You're merely became confused. Growl. Hey, switch, quick. Switch to goes. Hey, this is slick. What's this for? Oh. Okay. Power doubles. Yeah. I like this. What a gun. Fire one. Ow. Tail whip. What's up? 148. What? I'm just gonna be talking to you. It's alright there, kid. What? Do this. What do you want? I'm gonna go try to do a battle. Yep, let's do a battle then. Battle. You? I'm just gonna kill you quickly. Ember, come on, guys. They an attack. Man, I'm gonna hit you for a cut attack. Ciao. Okay, volume's up. New bats. I'm gonna use it. You're annoying me from Dragon Rage. Attack. Force because you go fly. Ember. What? Okay, wow. That was loud. This isn't good. Don't try anything funny. Okay. $600. Oh, I can't see. Whoa. Whoa. Run. Oh, safe. Oh. Run. Oh, there's nothing here. Oh. How do you get past the guard outside? You know, it really doesn't surprise. He was weak in my opinion. He would not beat me though. So I will. Like my. This is. Cut you. I know you're lava, but I'm gonna cut you. You suck, bro. I'm gonna kill you anyway. Stop him fainted. 22. Ghost, yes. Want to Nightshade. Okay, let's see Nightshade. Let's see. I think Nightshade's the good one I wanted. Yeah. No. Yeah. Nightshade, okay. Yo, do you guys hear that sound? That popping? If you do, it's probably that's just my wire, my headphones, that volume thing is hitting my leg. It's like, 640, dang. Dun, dun, dun. Wait, I need to fix something in my room. I need to fix something in my room. My room I need to fix, so I'll just do this really quick. It's my plushie! Ah. Okay, I fixed my plushie. But how does not work? Oh, how? What? He's getting charged? Not on my watch. What's name of plan? I'm getting all the good Pokemon first, and then I'm getting all the weak ones. That's how much. There's like 900 Pokemon. Like I'm not getting 900 Pokemon. You know how long it was gonna take? It was gonna take forever. It's gonna take forever. So, okay. Oh, hello. Oh, so to wait here and explore any intro. If you don't leave, then I will have to force you to leave after I beat you in battle. Eclipse Grunge would like to battle. I'm just gonna use cut on you. It's half damage. I'm good then. Zubat is dead. Who's next? More. What's roar? No. Yeah, I'm not missing. Grimmer, no. It has like a weak Pokemon. I'm just gonna use. Oh, but let's use Ember. I'm gonna wait. There's a poison spike. It's gonna do that much, but it's decent. I did half. That would be a good one. I could use Ember again and have a chance of getting Burn, which just cannot be used. Hey, what do you mean it cannot be? I'll use Cut then. Huh? How about that? Oh, don't slap me. My accuracy. I'm gonna slap you too then. I'm gonna cut you open. Huh? Yeah, you failed. That's right. I'm gonna cut you now. Even though you're poison, I'm gonna cut you. That Grinner. The weirdest Pokemon I ever saw. Yeah. How would you leave her acting like me? No. Don't get up. But honestly, it won't make a difference. We are close to finish what we have started here. So, new mode. Hello, new mode. The worst Pokemon ever. After this video, I'm gonna make a big quick video of getting Pikachu's and Rabbitchu's. Okay, I'm gonna get Turcoil. I'm gonna get Turcoil, guys. Just use Ember. I'm poisoned. Oh. That's why I have poison. Ocean poison. Cancel. Into the Charmeleon, he's poisoned. Into the I need more of these. Hey, that's not nice. I'm gonna cut you open. I know you're a turtle, but I'm gonna cut you. Rapid speed. Switch Pokemon. Shoot. Whatever, switch to Ghost. dead, bro. I'm gonna help hypnosis. We're gonna capture it. Okay, capture. Here's a Pokeball. Here's one. It's weak and it's sleeping, so if I don't catch it, I'm gonna be mad. I don't feel like very full health. Yeah. So Toka was catch. Let's go. Guys, if you want a name for this dude is Torkoal, you can give him a name. I'll just say a name for Torkoal under this comment section. And then put Torkoal and then Torkoal name and then type in the name. Yeah. Let's go. And I'm raging, guys. I don't rage. Let's go right. Let's get that in. I'm not going. What are you? I'm gonna have to use this on you. Dragon Rage. Bye. Hey, may I capture you? I'm gonna have to go back and heal because my Charmander. Scout. Guys, same thing for the other guy too. Same thing for this guy. Box 1. I'll continue one more guy. I can continue. Better be a new mobile. I could take new mobile, yeah. Painted, finally. Water pools? That looks like that's really all it makes good. Water pools. Make computer point. Okay, we didn't need that. Defense. This needs no. This is good. This is actually good. Use it. This is so good, bro. Okay. Get back to you so that we can heal. Get on the way. Prepare to be driven out. Nuh-uh. Dragon Rage, bro. I don't care. I'm made mad. Dead. Yep. Bro, I need to become a Charmander Charizard. After this video is done, I need to check I'm gonna check the changes of it becoming a Charizard. Okay, guys? What level I gotta be? I'll leave it. If you don't get your fat butt out of here. Jesus. We can do a good out. Yeah, get ready. We could probably check it out, but then to go back and heal. Oh, good. Let's go. We're good. Heal 3 damage. Show me 2. So be 5 or 6. It's most likely be 5. Just 3. Stop. Turko, how many friends did you got? And I think I captured you. That's probably why. What's over? Oh, planet's almost finished. It's so back up. Fair, you will miss this show after I beat you. Eclipse Louie will need to battle. But no energy. No, okay. Palms, getting palms. If we could do cut again one more time, and then we could do cleave. Here's there. Shoot. I was team. I know someone gonna. No. Do rage. Magnitude, I'm gonna die. Oh shoot, yeah. Shoot. The big kill gaming zone. Do a tackle. Thank you, okay. We got one more animal. Game point, okay. Do bad. Oh no, hold on. Bye, just bye. Ooh, that's critical. Critical too. He's bad, we can kill him with bite. No, it's 20 HP. Oh, not effective. Can't get it. Yes. Bye, Zubat. You fainted. You know, I really want a Snorlax. And Pikachu, so I'm tired. So, no, you don't climb up the wall. 100. Water gun. That blew off. Not like you slug mine. You're very weak. There's therapy only other water type actually. Oh, yeah, please, well, please. Right next to the tree. Hey, fire, you're ugly. Fire on you. I don't like lava. Why? Okay. Let me check how much Pokeballs it got. Pokeballs. Got 3. I need to buy some more a little bit. 3 more, bro. I'm gonna watch out here. Don't worry. Water gun again, and then we could use water pulse. Yeah, he more, bro. You suck. There's a Snorlax. I know one Snorlax. When I get a Snorlax, I know all their evolutions. I'm pretty sure. No, so these two are for those. Yeah, it's not Snorlax. We're good. So okay. Nose path. Noise. Water gun. Use tackle. Tackle. Hit. Okay. No. Oh, one shot. Alright, so next video is gonna be me getting some more grinding for a Pokemon I need. But I mean I want. Here, I'm gonna defeat the guy with those 3 other men, and I'm gonna do the gym leader. Then we're gonna attack guys. That's the plan for today's video. Then the next video I'll probably just grinding some Pokemon. Type A, okay. I wish I could find out no caps. I don't know what caps are. Oh, Boris. What the why? Huh? What? Water pose. Bro, you're way. Yoink. Be right back. Guys, I'm back. Let's continue. I'm gonna talk to my friend real quick. I get to the door really quick though. Alright, got that. Let's go. I took my headphones down so I don't have to hear this. I'll be quick, guys. I'm not able to do the gym later, but I'll try, guys. Don't worry. No, I want to go. So next video, guys, I'll do the gym later. Today we're just doing the volcano. Gaming that. Now to acquire Liberian app, go gaming that. Good. Go quick. Alright. Watch. Dragon Rage. Now I'm poisoned. I got my antidotes anyways too. Give me revolving. Oh, ooh, he's big. Ooh, he's big. Ooh, he's big. Ooh, he's big. He's small. He's small. He's big. He's big. He's small. He's small. He's big. He's big. Big, small, big, small, big, small. My, yo, what? My Nina? Snarl. Gee. Okay. Go. No. Cut. I'm gonna get hurt though. Go poison. It might be. It's your turn. Yeah, that's how it works in this. Okay. Ryan Rage. Oh, hello there. You are just in time for the show. What's this? You want your parents to be set free? You must be the child of those two archaeologists we abducted back in Midtown. Your parents have been rather difficult to work with. They were not cooperative at first. It wasn't until after we threatened to harm their family that they gave in to our request. They must have been afraid for you. They have every right to be. I'm afraid you are here to. If you are here to stop us, then you are too late. According to legend, I need only lay this orb on the pedestal behind me in order to awaken a powerful sleeping Pokemon. Why are we in such a beast, you ask? That's for us to know. I'm afraid you will not be privileged to find out the purpose to our actions at this time. ... I grow weary of speaking to you, child. It is for me to carry out our plan. What, do you won't allow that? You fear the time safety, do you? Well, if you're only here to get in my way, I'm afraid the only way to get rid of you is with a Pokemon battle. I warn you though, I am the Team Eclipse admin. Watch to defeat you though, bro. I will not be defeated. Yeah, right. Eclipse admin hearing the battle. Rage. Pursuit. Poison. 30. Cut equals to a good thing. Then I'm gonna get hurt again, which I'm gonna get, but I get to use that again. But I die, so well, I'm gonna make it to the second one. That's it. That's it. So not that good. Let's start one more time and then we can switch. Volaberry looks like no. You can search. You can deal this. Bite, rage. I'm gonna get nicely plot. Then we could do. Before I die, I'm gonna do rage again. That's the only way to defeat him. Dragon rage. Bowie. Okay. Then I'm gonna die because of that. Oh, I'm not, but you know what I mean. Yeah, because fainted. Vaporeon switch. Go Vaporeon. My fake water gun. Shoot. Super effective. Then we could use pulse. Pulse. Out. But we can use pulse. Super effective. Let's go. Even your admin, I defeated you. The rest of your good. Use Ray. T can use Ray. For now, we don't need it. I guess, yeah, okay, we don't need it. The same thing like that, but okay. Yes. You little twerp. Oh, damn. Well, it seems like you are quite a strong change. Such, no matter, I have come to carry a very important task. I will not let my leader down. Prepare yourself for the power of the volcano. No. Ah, it's red. Oh, shoot. Yo, why you red? Shoot. Oh no. Bro, did this. giant sleeping within this volcano and has now awakened. This volcano eclipse will more fully be capable of carrying out its purposes. Fear this mighty Pokemon, foolish child, as I now relocate Groodle to do our bidding. Groodle, it was I who woke you from your slumber. You will now help Team Eclipse fulfill its purpose. I command you now, Groodle, to follow my exact orders. Oh! Dot. Wait, what? Oh. I have to grab that red real quick before Groodle gets out of control. Groodle, please forgive us for disturbing your peace. We never let you sleep. We promise that we won't disturb you again. There is a village right outside this volcano with a lot of good people in it. If this volcano erupts, it could remove the entire village and hurt many innocent people. Please accept this apology and we will be on our way. I want to capture him. Pokemon. I'm actually kind of surprised Goldrew let us go that easily. For a second time, I thought we were being toast. Did you see that gorilla was looking at you though? Look like he saw something in you. Maybe that's why, like, we might see you something. We don't get judgment. Who's back? I can't believe we're back in the town. Say, you should stop talking to you. Love this fiercely and how strong you're treating your army. Better go and see all who's soon. Okay. Okay guys, that's gonna be the end of the video, but I need to make it back, so as soon as we get back to the city, I'm gonna stop the video there, okay guys? So you could just see me battling some Pokemon then. Maybe capturing. Yeah. So yeah. Pretty much good. Future future videos, I don't know. Yeah, I remember getting Pikachu yet, but Pikachu playing with friends, that maybe got something. I don't know. These are all pre-recorded videos anyways. Okay. Not a Pokemon, bro. There's so many Pokemon. Water gun. You guys can leave if you want to, but you don't have to. Just keep going. Sweet. Not a Pokemon, it's the nose pass. Very funny nose pass. Beat you with water gun. And water. Game. Okay, that's enough point. Okay, Pokemon here. Yep, knew it. Hey, who is this water gun? What name rewards punish attack? No, I'm good. Hey, I'm gonna need Orbeam. No Pokemon. No, it's best. Oh. Maybe I didn't die of fighting them. so much. That's his sister, I'm his brother, it's his brother, I can back for revenge. Nope. Spit. On the water gun. I'm pretty much a spit the water gun though. Already knows 4 moves. Let's see a smoke screen. Water gun again. Let's go. Battery. You think too much. So guys, well, stay tuned for the next video. Let's see you next time, guys. See you next time, guys. And I hope you liked the next video with me trying to get my Terminator, if it could even get to a Charizard, and trying to get my stuff to like max stuff. And I try to get some Pikachu stuff, Ravichu stuff, Charizards, Charmanders, Bulbasaurs, stuff like that for the next video. Summary, take item.